What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is part 11 of the Rebuild the Box series. I need to build a place for my clothes.
And that is exactly what we're going to be doing in this corner of the box today. I've already went ahead and painted both of these panels gray on both sides. And this section here is going to be my closet. And then this section here is going to be for my bins of clothes. And all my clothes right now are stacked up along the side here, underneath where my cabinet is. So I need to find a home for all this stuff because I can't travel with it all stacked up over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of trim pieces to go along the top and the back. You see the gap there and up top. I'm going to make a couple trim pieces for both sides, and I'm going to join this top piece together just to make it more sturdy. I'm going to be repurposing this black pipe that I had for my clothes that I was hanging before I tore the box apart. And basically this is just going to go in here like that and mount in there for me to hang my clothes. Okay, so let's start by making those trim pieces, and I'm going to get them painted and we're going to get those installed.
Now that I have some trim pieces all installed, and this is actually pretty sturdy, there's two other things we have to do in order to finish the closet. First, I need to put this in, which I'm going to hang my clothes from. And the second thing is we need to take some of this trim and I'm going to put it on the edge right here on both sides. Alright, so I have the trim on the sides and I also have the rod installed. So now I have a place to hang my clothes. So the next thing we're going to do in this corner here is we're going to make some shelves for all my bins of clothes. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take some of this foam board insulation that's 1 inch thick, and I'm going to cut little pieces out so I can put them on each side going up in different spots, so I can have, I think, 5 spaces with the amount of room that I have. I'll cut a template out of the foam board installation so that it gives me my height, and then this way here I know where to glue in the pieces for the actual shelves to sit on. And these are rough cuts of the shelves that I had made. I made 4 of these. 2 are going to be longer, and then so on and so forth, because the bottom is longer than it is at the top. So I just have to trim it all up, and I've already screened and painted them all on one side. So let's make a template out of this foam board installation and make some of those pieces that we're going to need to hold the shelves in place and see where we get. Alright, so I have 4 shelves glued in, so now I'm just waiting for the adhesive to dry, and then I can paint the pink parts of the installation, wait for that to dry, and then I can put my bins of clothes into their spots. Alright, and the glue is finally dry. I have put my clothes in my closet, and I have also put my bins of clothes in the cubbies, and that's what it looks like. Now I have a spot for my clothes. I'm really happy that I finally have a place that I can put my clothes. It does clean up a lot of space in the box, and it keeps everything a lot more organized. Well, that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Until next time, going for a car ride.